Realtors, ever wondered how you can take your property tours to new heights? Well, today I'm going to spill the beans on one incredible tool that has been revolutionizing the real estate game. You guessed it, Facebook ads. Picture this, a property that needs to be seen to be believed. With Facebook ads, you can showcase those stunning features to potential buyers like never before. And let me tell you, the benefits are as incredible as the properties themselves. First and foremost, Facebook ads allow you to target your ideal audience with precision. Gone are the days of casting a wide net and hoping for the best. Now you can handpick demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach those who are most likely to be interested in your property. Talk about efficiency. And here's the best part, Facebook ads work wonders for mobile users. Let's face it, we are all glued to our phones these days, and real estate is no exception. With Facebook's mobile friendly platform, your property tours will be right at the fingertips of potential buyers wherever they go. Now that's convenience at its finest. Oh, and did I mention that Facebook ads give you the power of retargeting? That's right. For those who have shown interest in your property but haven't sealed the deal, you can keep them engaged with strategic ads popping up on their newsfeed. You'll stay at the forefront of their minds, increasing the chances of a successful sale. It's like having a personal real estate assistant on demand. But wait, there's more. Facebook ads offer detailed insight and analytics. You can track ad performance, measure engagement, and optimize your strategy accordingly. No more guesswork with data in your hands. Your property tours will be flawlessly targeted, ensuring maximum impact and exposure. So, whether you're an avid real estate agent or a property owner looking to flex the potential of your listings, Facebook ads is the secret weapon you've been waiting for. It's time to level up your property tours and reach an audience that's ready to say sold. So, what are you waiting for? Get those Facebook ads rolling and let the property tour magic happen. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. If you'd like to learn how I got 100 plus leads using Facebook ads for real estate agents, click the link in this video, in the description of this video, or click the link in my description or my bio. Thank you.